Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm not feeling my best. It's that time of month and I do suffer from endometriosis, so when it's that time of the month I feel like crap and I'm usually in a lot of pain, but kids gotta eat, so I'm in the kitchen and I have to cook because mommy, and that's my job. But anywho, I hope you guys can hear me because I just had the volume thing. So I have a taste for cookies because normally at that time of the month everybody wants like a snack or whatever, but not everybody has money to go to the store and like buy stuff. So usually on my channel I like to show people how to use what you have in your house to make what you want. So that's what I'm gonna, my eyelash is bothering me because I use Ghost Bond and shouldn't have, because my daughter always stealing my stuff and I think she took my glue that I usually use. Oh, there you go, I fixed it. So I got a taste for blueberry cookies, and then again I got a taste for more peanut butter cookies. So the other day when I did make cookies, I was basically experimenting, so I don't know, I'm gonna see what I can do with this. So of course I'm gonna read the instructions and probably figure out a few things, and I guess we bake it again today. Of course I have to make these chuletas for my kids, so I don't know, I don't even feel like eating. Like, I'm hungry, but I just want like some cookies and milk or something, and that's it. I mean, since I don't have ice cream, like, I mean, if you're a female and you watching, you know what I'm talking about when it's that time of the month, like what you feel like eating and what you don't want. So I don't know, I really don't feel like dinner, but I did explain a few of my symptoms during a live a few days ago, and you know, a lot of people were very supportive and I really appreciate that. I appreciate that, and I'm really trying to get to 30,000 subscribers. Of course I want to be at 100K, but I mean, you got to start somewhere. So I don't know, I'm feeling really like bad today because of the pain, and then I'm feeling like crap at the same time while I'm holding my tripod in my hand. I could just put it down, but then the way you see me I look crazy. But I got my mixer, and I also have a blender too. It's in red, my favorite color. It's a small blender. Everybody doesn't have a big blender, but I have a small one and it's good enough for me. So I'm gonna wash this because you can't trust your kids because they never wash everything out properly anyway. So, and I hope you can hear me because I don't have the strength to talk all loud, so I hope you can hear me. So I'm basically experimenting when it comes to the blueberry cookies because that's more than 3 ingredients, and you can't really do that the same way I did the peanut butter. So YouTube is my job, so although this pain is kicking my behind, I still have to work. still have to work, so here I am. So I'm gonna reuse the same pan that I used the other day to make those peanut butter cookies. I do believe in reusing aluminum pans. If you got a problem with that, then you're on the wrong channel. But I do have my blender, and it's like one of those things where you can make a smoothie, and it's from Hamilton Beach. You could actually make a smoothie with this, and then you can take it off, put it in the refrigerator, and then you can take it to go, and you can just drink on the go. But because it's one of those blenders with the bottom showing, I just want to make sure that it's not embarrassing for people to be like, did she just bring her whole blender outside? Like, people are nosy. So I might use this instead of that handheld one, because I really want blueberry cookies. So I'm going to, I think, pour my ingredients inside my blender. And then I'm going to figure it all out after that. Okay, so this time I have baking powder. I didn't have it before, but I have baking powder now. You need sugar, which I do have. It's over there. You need sugar. You need the filling, whatever. This is actually for pies, but I'm gonna attempt to use it to make cookies. Okay, so you need this, that. You need vanilla flavor, but I don't think I have that. I got lemon, and I don't really want to substitute the lemon. But I want cookies, so I'm gonna have cookies. So I probably will be using a little bit of the lemon extract. Not noticeably using it, but I'm gonna use it. Okay, so I have my container for my sugar. So I'm gonna take this out and put it back when I'm done. You need a can opener because you have to open up the can. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take this off because I don't need the whole thing over here. I'm gonna go over here and plug this in. Okay, and then I'm gonna just drop my ingredients inside there, and then you're gonna need a spoon and a fork. So I'm gonna, okay, so my husband wants more peanut butter cookies. I want blueberry cookies. So I'm gonna basically probably make both. Okay, I'm gonna use the rest of this that I didn't use yesterday, and then I'm gonna use this peanut butter here. Maybe I should have did this on live. I should have. Okay, so I need to grab my can opener. So I guess I'm making two different kinds of cookies. Because you know kids never wash things out properly. I hope y'all guys noticed that I'm trying real hard. I've been uploading like crazy. So I hope you guys see that I'm being persistent. because I'm looking forward, not backwards, and progression is a must for me, and I want to make sure that I'm like trying my best to give you guys what you want. I have a huge thing coming up that I'm gonna be filming for you guys. It's huge, trust me. And I really want to be the first person to do it, so I'm gonna hold my tongue and I'm not gonna really like reveal like what I'm actually gonna do. But I think I'm gonna talk to my sister Cynthia to see if she'll help me do it, because if anybody knows me, she knows me. And as well as my mom, Marisol. I love you if you're watching. I love you. Yeah, they know me best. When I wasn't in my own house, I was in Marisol's house. And I don't care what nobody say, that's my mother. You can't tell me nothing. Any other female that feeds a child like they're their own, that's your mother. So, I always say I'm adopted. She adopted me. So we just don't have the same last name, but that's my mother. So I'm basically taking my spoon. I already put 1 spoonful in. And since I do plan on using like this often, I'm not gonna use it all. I wanna taste it. It tastes kind of bland, but I know I'm not gonna need that much sugar, so I'm gonna use this 1 spoon for everything. I have a cold, so don't mind me, I have a cold. I'm gonna try my best to show you guys the finishing results, because if I don't, my mother will get on me for not finishing the video. But you're gonna need some all-purpose flour, and I really hope that I don't mess this up, because I'm doing this from scratch, and I'm kind of into like doing like cooking videos. Maybe I should do like a cooking channel. If y'all think that I should do like a cooking channel, just let me know, please. Yeah, let me know. Oh, I think you need an egg too. So I'm gonna do that too. So far I have 2 spoonfuls out of that can of the blueberry filling mix. I have maybe a cup of flour, and now I'm going to grab some sugar. And I know that I really OD'd last time when I used the sugar, but this time I'm not gonna do that because we're on a budget and I had to buy new sugar after that. So of course I'm being kind of generous, because you don't want you want to make sure that it's good. Okay, so I think I put enough sugar in there. And now I'm reaching for the baking powder, which I already showed you. Okay, you can make a whole bunch of stuff with this. It feels like I'm wheezing or something, like I got something stuck in my throat. Okay, so I'm opening this, and I don't believe that it's supposed to be some specific way you're supposed to open this, and if it is, I really don't care. Okay, so it don't smell like nothing. I'm only putting that much. That's all I think I need. I think that I'm going to crack an egg in here, so give me 1 second. Okay, so I got an egg, and I had to buy more eggs too after making that thing that I made the other day with the peanut butter. And most of this stuff I won't be editing out, but probably a part where it's blending. I know I feel like crap, but I got a sweet tooth and I'm the only one that knows how to bake. If I had the, what do you call it? I have coconut too. So I was really thinking of making like macaroons because I'm always watching the Cooking Network, like always. I already told you that I didn't feel good, so please excuse the coughing. I already told you I really don't feel good. So I'm gonna use like a drop of this lemon extract because I really don't want it to taste like cake. Then again, it don't really matter. Okay, so I'm going to move my tripod back. And this is gonna be like a little ASMR thing. I think I wanna put a little bit more flour. Don't kill me. So if I put just a little bit, I just want to make sure that it's enough. So these are basically, oops. Nah, I could take that out. I'm not even touching it. So it's basically just dry ingredients in here. So just like yesterday. I mean, well, the other day when I had made the cookies. Okay, so, and then when you're using, it has a button here. So when you use it, you just push the button, and I'm gonna mute. Okay, y'all, I just came back to show you the consistency. So this is actual dough, and I never made blueberry dough before, so I'm pretty excited. So I'm actually on my second pan because this is a lot of dough. So I'm using 2 spoons so that I can scoop up with one and scoop out with the other. one more cookie bowl, and then I'll show you what it looks like in the oven. Okay, so that's the last bowl. So now I could put this in the oven so I can catch up with the other set. And I'll put this in the oven. And this is what it looks like in the thing. My screen is a little bit cloudy. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven, and then I'm gonna show you, well, I can show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I already got cookies in there, and they're like falling all over the place. So I don't want them on top of each other, so try to fix this one, move that one away, and put this one here, just so it won't be Siamese twins. So yeah, and then I'll be back when they're done. I'm so thirsty. My hair is everywhere. It is hot in this kitchen. So thirsty. Okay. So for real now, I'm gonna be back when my cookies are done, and if they were nasty, I won't come back. Sorry. Later.